If you're a football fan, you're probably wondering where you'll be watching the World Cup. And today I'm going to show you the most important options so you can watch it from anywhere in the world easily and legally. The first thing you need to know is that the World Cup is broadcast through official channels in each country, and depending on where you are, it may be available on free to air television, free platforms, or paid services. Now, let me show you the main options by region. If you're in the United States, you can watch it on Fox Sports, FS1, Telemundo, and streaming services such as Fox One, YouTube TV, Hulu, plus Live TV, Fubo TV. If you're in Spain, you can watch it on RTVE Play, and in some cases, sports platforms such as DAS. And if you're in the United Kingdom, you can watch it on BBC iPlayer ITVX. In Canada, you can watch it on TSN CTVRDS. In Mexico, you can watch it on Televisa Univision, TV Azteca, and their digital platforms. In South America, it depends on the country, but some common options include DirecTV Sports, Caracol TV, Colombia, RCN, Colombia, Globo, Brazil, Thai C Sports, Argentina, and official national broadcasters. In Brazil, you can watch it on Globo Sport TV and some digital broadcasts such as Kaze TV. Now, something important: in some countries, you may also find platforms such as Dazian, but availability depends entirely on the broadcasting rights in your region. And most importantly, FIFA Plus also offers official content such as highlights, clips, and exclusive tournament content. Now, let's make it simple. The real ways to watch the World Cup are official TV broadcasters in your country, their associated streaming platforms, and sports services that hold broadcasting rights in your region. And the best part is that no matter where you are, there's always a legal way to enjoy it. Now, tell me in the comments which country you're from, and I'll tell you exactly which channel or platform you can use to watch it in your region. Because honestly, the most important thing is making sure you don't miss a single match.